Hello again, Naiga 3. So now, tapos na po akong magbayad ng travel tax in the amount of 1,620. So, i-check natin yung departure board. Ito na po yung Naiga Terminal 3. So, ito po yung first trip ko. Hopefully, first trip for the year 2025. A17. So, open na ang check-in ng Danang Vietnam. So, pwede na ako mag-check-in. Okay, see you later.